class results. That is Jyotika got the first mark and first rank 586 out of 600. Wait. Very happy and very proud of Jyotika, and let me first of all read out her marks in each and every subject. First language, that is Telugu, 99. Second language, that is Hindi, 99. And the third language, English, 95. Maths, 100 out of 100. Next one is Science, 96. Social, 97. Can you clap her because she has got 99. Okay, children, very good and very proud of Jyotika. She scored 100 in maths, and in languages she got 99, and in science and social 96 and 99. Now let me announce the second mark. That is Abhay Kumar, Kushwaha Abhay. He got 575 out of 600. And he got 97 Telugu, 95 Hindi, 92 in English, 98 in maths, 96 in science and 97 in social. Clap for Abhay. Now, I am very proud to announce that out of 24 children, 19 children got above 500. Above 500. 19 numbers vachinayi. Isn't it a great thing? Why don't you clap? Now, let me announce one by one. Now don't clap, just listen to the marks. Fazal got 565, that is third mark. No, 568, third mark, Priya. 568, Priya. After that, Fazal got 565. Fourth. Next one, Faiza Arjun 554. Fifth. Don't clap, first division. Supriya. 561, Supriya is the fifth. After that, Faiza. Next one is Maurice got 550 marks out of 600. Next one, 548 secured by Muhammad Rehanuddin. Next, Mukunda Priya, 547. Next one, Salima, 544. Next one, Neeraj Kumar, 539. Muzammil, Sheikh Muzammil, 536. We should note that Muzammil came in the 9th class. And Mukunda Priya came in 10th class. 10th class. Mukunda 10th class లో వచ్చింది, Priya 10th class లో వచ్చింది. 1 year లో ఇంత బాగా ఉంటారు. Hats off to them.
And that's too After 1 month they came. July or August they came.
July or August. And the next one, I did not expect this for Anas. Very proud of him, Anas. He got 532 marks, Anas. Next one. Inayatullah. 531, Inayatullah. Next one, Nitya, 525. Next one, Bilal Ahmad, 520. This boy also came last year only. Bilal. Stop children, why are you shouting? Why are you shouting? No class children. Stop clapping. Whatever teacher is doing this. 1,000. 510 marks. Saima 1,000. Next one is 493. Gaurav Kumar. Don't clap. Next one, Rafiqul Rahman. 490. Rafiq 490. Next one is Samir Bey. 461. Next one, Shahid, 343. Okay, children?
Next one.
Varshit Prasad, 513. Varshit 513. 500. Mobile number code 19. So we got very good.